Are you feeling overwhelmed about your move in Sarnia? You're not alone. Hi, I'm Phil Cena with Blue Coast Realty, your local real estate expert in Sarnia, Ontario. Moving isn't just a physical process, it's deeply emotional, especially in tight-knit communities like ours. Today, we are exploring the hidden emotional side of moving and how you can navigate it with confidence. Why moving hits harder than expected. First, there is the loss of familiarity, that favorite coffee shop, your friendly neighbor, even the way sunlight hits your living room. These are comforts that create a sense of identity. Then comes the fear of the unknown, especially if you're moving to a new part of Sarnia or even a different town. Not to mention the sentimental value, your child's growth chart on the wall or memories of holiday dinners. And finally, decision fatigue can drain your emotional energy faster than you think. There are some tips to cope with the emotional roller coaster. Name your feelings. It's okay to feel sadness, anxiety, or even guilt. Focus on the positives. Maybe it's a shorter commute, a better school district, or being closer to family. Say goodbye intentionally. Host a farewell dinner or take photos of special spaces. Set up your new home with comfort in mind. Recreate familiar routines as quickly as possible. At Blue Coast Realty, we're not just here to show houses. We're here to help you through the whole experience. That means personalized moving checklists, community connections, and emotional support you might not expect from a realtor. If you are thinking of buying or selling in Sarnia, let us help you make the process easier emotionally and practically. Reach out to Blue Coast Realty today for expert guidance with heart.